Hi guys, it's a Wes from Trendy Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to blur background in Zoom. So when a custom virtual background is unavailable or you are not able to find suitable background according to your needs, but you still want to maintain some privacy with regards to your surrounding, or in some cases you are sitting remotely and in hurry you need to join a meeting but you don't have any good background. So this blur feature helps us a lot. The blur background option can be a great alternative. This option simply blur the background of your video. So here I am going to show you the very easy process to blur your background in Zoom. So let's get started. So to blur background in Zoom, you have to simply open Zoom. Now here you can see the option of settings. Click on settings. Now in settings, we can see background and effects. So click on it. Now here you can see the option of blur. So click on blur. So you can see we have blurred the background in Zoom. So you can also blur the background during the meeting. So simply close this page. Now click on new meeting. So to blur background, so you can see small arrow. So click on it. And in this option, you can see choose virtual background. So click on it. And from here, select the blur. So this page. So you can see we have blurred the background in Zoom during the meeting or before the meeting. So you can also blur the background in Zoom by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.